In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add more color options in Excalidraw. We'll be working in the standard web app, and the goal is to move beyond the default swatches so you can dial in exactly the hues you want. Start by selecting any element on your canvas. This could be a shape, a line, or text. Once it's selected, open the color picker for either the stroke or the background, depending on what you want to change. In that color picker, you'll see an input field where you can type a hexadecimal color code. Enter a valid hex value, including the hash, like #FF5733. As soon as you confirm, Excalidraw applies that exact color. This is the quickest way to unlock virtually any color, and it's great when you have a brand palette or a specific design reference. If a color doesn't look right, double check that you applied it to the correct property, stroke for outlines or background for fills. If you don't have a specific hex code in mind, the shade picker inside the color panel gives you more range than the initial swatches suggest. Click one of the base colors in the quick picks, and you'll see it expand to show multiple shades of that palette. This lets you choose lighter or darker variations without guessing. It's a simple way to create contrast between elements, like a darker stroke with a lighter fill, while staying within the same color family. Try hovering and previewing different shades to see how they work together on your canvas before committing. Now, while the standard version of Excalidraw doesn't offer a global custom palette, there's a reliable workaround that keeps your favorite colors at your fingertips. Create a dedicated Excalidraw file where you drop in a few shapes and apply your chosen colors to their strokes and backgrounds using the methods we just covered. With those colored shapes selected, right-click and choose Add to Library. This saves the elements, along with their exact colors, into your personal library. From there, you can open your library in any drawing and simply drag those elements onto the canvas. It's like carrying your own palette from project to project, and it also helps with consistency across diagrams. You can rename items in your library to indicate what color they represent or group similar colors together for faster access. That's it. Use hex codes for precision, explore the shade picker for quick variations, and save colored elements to your library to reuse them anywhere. With these techniques, you'll have all the color flexibility you need without leaving the standard web app.